Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a public room in Clubhouse. First, open the app and locate the prominent green "Start a Room" button at the bottom. Next, choose the public option to ensure your discussion is open to everyone on the platform. Finally, give your room a compelling topic and consider inviting one or two co-hosts to join you. This simple process gets your public conversation started. Once you have chosen to go public, it is time to customize your room. Craft a title that clearly communicates your discussion's focus, aiming for maximum engagement. You can also select up to 3 relevant topics or clubs to help people discover your room. Furthermore, invite specific individuals from your network to be speakers or moderators before going live. During your live public room, you, as the moderator, have full control over the conversation. You can easily manage participants by muting or unmuting them, or even removing someone if necessary. To enrich the discussion, you can promote listeners to speakers, allowing them to contribute verbally. Conversely, you can demote speakers back to the audience at any time. When your engaging public discussion has reached its natural conclusion, it is time to end the room. Simply tap the End Room button, usually located at the top right, and confirm your choice to close it for everyone. Clubhouse also offers the option to save a replay of your room, allowing others to listen to your conversation later.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.